Hello everyone, welcome back to RK Physics section. In this video, let us discuss a numerical question that has come in the NEET, which is from the chapter Moving Charges and Magnetism. They gave us an electron is revolving, is having a circular path, circular orbit with a uniform speed v, and it is producing a magnetic field at the center of the circle. Now we are supposed to calculate the radius of that circle is proportional to what? So for this, we know very clearly that the magnetic field produced by a moving electron in circular path is B, which is equal to mu naught into I divided by 2r. Now here the radius is what we are supposed to calculate, and what factors does it depend upon, and what is it proportional to. So for that we need the current I. Current is because of the motion of the electron. So here we know that current I is equal to charge divided by time. Now to calculate the time, one complete oscillation time is equal to 2 pi by omega, which you can write as 2 pi into omega is v by r. So that gives me 2 pi into v by r. Denominator will come to the numerator. Denominator of the denominator will become the numerator. Now the current I will become q by 2 pi r into v. So qv by 2 pi r. Substituting these values in the above equation, hence magnetic field B is equal to mu naught by 2r into qv divided by 2 pi r, which gives me mu naught q into v divided by 4 pi r square. Now this is the magnetic field B is equal to mu naught qv divided by 4 pi r square. I want the r value, that implies r square is equal to mu naught into q into v divided by 4 pi into the magnetic field. So if you look at this equation here, we have mu naught a constant, q is also a constant, 4 and pi are constants. So in that case, r is equal to root of mu naught into q into v divided by 4 pi into b, and from which r is actually proportional to the root of v by b. This is the answer. So in the options given, it is proportional to v by b, and the correct option will be the third option, which is C. Hope you understood. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.